Be specific, so don't state that you would make an excellent doctor or lawyer. Back up your contentions with specific reasons. Your desire to become X should be logical and should emerge as the logical conclusion to your story. So it goes back to that timeline that you started out visiting your mom and volunteering, and then you started, getting involved and taking courses, and then you did little summer camps or something like that for students who want to become doctors or lawyers or whatever, and you gain some insight as a result of engaging in the environment. And so it's something on the inside of you that you have the compassion for patients, you have the skill, knowledge, or something like that, based upon what you have learned to date. And so then you realize that you are suitable for becoming a doctor in a particular field. I really want to work with kids as a doctor, as a pediatrician. I really want to work with women who have struggled with hysterectomies or something, who have struggled with miscarriages or whatever. And so then, by the time you get to a statement like, I think I'm suitable for the field, not necessarily saying I would make an excellent doctor or lawyer. You don't know that yet, right? Because you are not a doctor or a lawyer, but you feel like you are suitable for the field. Then there's a logical conclusion that we can come to based upon your grades, based upon you engaging in the field, based upon you being a good competitor, right? You testing well. And now we can draw that as a logical conclusion. Concentrate on the opening paragraph, so grab the reader's attention, set the framework for the rest of the personal statement. So it always helps that you have an anecdote that kind of relates to what you are going to discuss within the personal statement. How you grab the reader's attention really does make a big difference. Um, I think in some ways you can be a little funny, be a little comical, but you don't want to come off as a person in writing who doesn't take the seriousness of writing the personal statement to heart. That you the whole thing can't be about being funny, right? You could always have a nice quote that begins that personal statement, something that has always stuck with you from a famous author or famous, celebrity person or something like that. I think that's always useful, but you definitely don't want their quote to take over your paper. So you want to be careful about how you insert quotes, how you insert other people's words, because it is your personal statement.